I present to you Mr. and Mrs. Tim and Jodi Sandquist. May kiss the bride.
For our family and saying welcome to the family, Tim. I know that I can officially say that I'm your sister-in-law, or sister, I should say. Or you can officially say I'm your sister-in-law. You can't get rid of me now. And you're officially Uncle Tim to my sons. As I always have said, I'm now formally the sister you never had. But on a serious note, I can count the people I'm closest to on one hand, and two of those people are marrying each other today.
But in all seriousness, the first time that I met Jodi, I could tell that she was a very nice lady. And over the last 2 years or so that I've gotten to know Jodi, I can definitely say that she's a great person with a kind heart. And I know that she thinks of others before herself, and that she's very generous, and I'm glad that my brother Tim has found such a nice lady to spend the rest of his life with.